we have seen the last principle of solid, which is the D, with D stands for dependency inversion. It's a very easy principle which says class should depend on interface rather than concrete class. We'll understand it with one example. Like I'm creating one keyboard as a interface. You consider as a interface, and this has contains the wired keyboard and also the Bluetooth keyboard. Also, I have one more interface, which is the mouse, and it also have the wired mouse as well as Bluetooth mouse. So this interface, we have the wired keyboard extends this interface, and Bluetooth also extend this keyboard interface. Same for the wired mouse and the Bluetooth mouse. So here see this example with the MacBook. There we have a one wired keyboard and wired mouse. So in constructor, we are just giving, we are creating object of wired keyboard and wired mouse, which is the this wired keyboard and wired mouse, which is the concrete class. Instead of this interface, we are using this concrete class, which is not sufficient. Let's suppose tomorrow someone is come and wants the mouse keyboard, or Bluetooth mouse or Bluetooth keyboard, then we have to change this entire logic here, and then we have to change this entire class itself and take the reference of the Bluetooth keyboard and Bluetooth mouse. So instead of this, we'll create a MacBook class which take a reference of the keyboard, which is the interface, and mouse, which is also the interface. So instead of taking the reference of wired keyboard, I'm taking now the keyboard and mouse, and in the constructor injection we just provide the keyboard and mouse as a interface and create the object accordingly. So in the main logic, if someone has created the object of the wired keyboard and wired mouse, then this will take the wired keyboard and wired mouse. If someone is wants the Bluetooth, then it will initialize with the Bluetooth keyboard and mouse. And someone wants the wired keyboard but the Bluetooth mouse, then also would be possible with this class. So this is what the dependency inversion is, and here we have complete our all the five basic solid principle, which is required to for our coding, which is like it's easy to maintain, avoid duplicate, easy to understand, flexible, and reduce complexity. We all use these principles in our day-to-day life, but we should have to aware about all of these, like what exactly one is saying about. So thank you so much.